Guys, so we're here in Sunterra again, here in Katy, Texas. We're going to be touring a West End property. This is going to be the Ellicott floor plan, and you're going to get all of this for less than $600,000. The amount of features and upgrades in this one is absolutely insane, and they're offering incentives to home buyers that are looking in this market as well. So if you want more information about this floor plan, hit the link in the description below, and I hope you guys enjoy the tour. All right, guys, so just by looking at the exterior of the property, you're going to notice that modern feel. The thing that you're going to notice about this one is you're going to have the covered front porch and the glass front door. I know a lot of clients that have been requesting that, and it's just great. So as soon as you walk in, you're going to notice the large grand foyer. You're going to have the high ceilings with a narrow view towards the back of the family room. Right there, you see the winding staircase. And this is just going to be great because if you think about Christmas time frame, that's going to be a perfect place to put your Christmas tree. Up top, you're going to have the rotunda ceiling, which is a great accent to the property. Right here is going to be the study. I didn't get a chance to go in there. They had stepped out for a minute, but you can notice that it's a great office space for if you work from home. Also, they have the French doors on the study, which is a great modern look. Now we're going to be taking the right, and as you walk in here, you're going to notice we're going to be accessing the mud room. The mud room is just great for if you park in the garage and you just want to go ahead and take off your shoes. You don't get the rest of the house dirty, hence the name mud room. So now we're going to be heading into the garage. This one is a 2-car garage, plenty of space with a door on the left side for quick access. And you're going to have enough space in here, maybe put a Stairmaster, or you can even put some woodworking tools inside. Now, as we start to go back inside of the house, the flooring, by the way, is ceramic tile. If you know anything about ceramic tile, it's great. If you spill anything, you just clean it up, and it's extremely durable. This is going to be the first bedroom, recessed lighting. This one's going to be great for guests or anybody that wants to be away from other people, because it's going to have its own bathroom attached to it. And you know, it's going to be decent sized rooms in here. And then you're going to have the walk-in shower right here, all fully glass. Backsplash is great. Recessed lighting in there as well, with the great accents as far as the lights are concerned. You're going to notice the sink knobs are black, and they just kind of match with all these doorknobs in here. And the main reason why people love these rooms is because of complete privacy. Once you shut that door, you don't have to worry as much. Closet as well. So like I said, this is going to be great for any guests or anybody that comes to visit you, and you just want to let them have their own space in the comfort of your own home. Okay, so now we're going to be walking in right there, and you're going to notice this one. This is going to be the utility room, which is going to be attached to the primary closet. Very, very spacious, enough room to go ahead and fit anything you need to on top of the cabinets. And then you're going to have your half bath right here. If you're entertaining guests, or, you know, I don't know if you've ever been to someone's house and the first thing you said is, "Where's your bathroom at?" So it's going to be perfect. They don't have to walk through the entirety of the house, especially if they're coming over for the first time and you want to show them the house and you don't want them to see everything before you show them. So as we're going back into the utility room, now you're going to have the large primary closet. You're going to have your storage space for your shoes. You're going to have enough room for his and hers, or if you just have a huge wardrobe and you just need plenty of space for your shoes, your clothes, and accessories. Now we're going to be walking into the primary bathroom. You're going to have your soak-in tub right here. You're going to have your his and her sink right there as well, with a standing shower. Now look at those lighting fixtures, wonderful lighting fixtures, great tile flooring in here. You know, this shower is not overly big. I know some people that love a bigger shower, but it definitely gets the job done. And what you're going to notice about this property as well, that you're going to have a ton of storage space if you ever need it, you know, for linens, for towels, all that good stuff. Now, as we're entering the primary bedroom, great spacious feel as well. You're going to have the back wall with those nice accents, recessed lighting again with a great ceiling fixture. You know, when you see interior designing, They do a wonderful job. I know I get a lot of clients that ask me who the interior designer was because they want the same furniture. If they could just leave the furniture in there and add an extra 100,000 on top of that, they'll take it. So another thing that you'll notice with this primary bedroom is that it's not overly massive, but it's kind of the right size. Some may like it, some may not, but it just depends on your personal preference. Now we're gonna be entering the family room. Now you're gonna notice the high ceilings in here as well, open to the kitchen itself with the island in the kitchen. And that white just gives it that brightness. It gives it that feel of, home or just luxury, modern. And this is gonna be great for entertaining a lot of folks or just having a lot of guests. One of the biggest benefits that I see with higher ceilings is, without a doubt, the illusion of more room. The countertops, you're gonna have quartz countertops with some granite material in there. They do that for various reasons, but they just wanna make it look a lot more luxurious and a lot more heat resistant. You're gonna have a lot of natural lighting, a lot of windows that give it that natural light. So a lot of times throughout the summertime, you don't have to have all the lights on. You'll get that natural lighting throughout the day. You have the backsplash to go ahead and match the kitchen, the stainless steel cooktop. And then right there, you're gonna have your informal dining room. And you just have a lot of accents in here. Like I said, this is the Ellicott floor plan, and it's just great for growing families or people that just want extra space. So the one thing to know about West End Homes is, for over 20 years, they have been known to build some high quality, elegant homes in some of the most desirable neighborhoods. This one's in Sonterra, right here in Katy, Texas. It's a beautiful master plan community. Now you're gonna have your walk-in pantry, plenty of space right there as well. Stainless steel appliances. Really the main benefit that I see with stainless steel appliances is the fact that it resists a lot of dirt and a lot of germs. And that's why a lot of homes tend to have those appliances. Whenever we walk in back into the grand foyer, we're gonna go up the spiraling staircase, and you're gonna notice the recessed lighting throughout the entirety of the property, which is great because a lot of people like their house lit up. And then noticing that the stairs don't have carpet, they have similar material as the flooring downstairs. And then you're gonna walk in, and now you're gonna have your game room as well as your media room. And like I said, you got your large windows right here, adding a lot of natural lighting. You have your light fixtures right there coming down from the rotunda ceiling. And then as we walk through here, you got plenty of space. You can put a pool table, or you can keep the air hockey table. And then you have your nice media room, great for entertaining guests. And the one word that really comes to my mind when I see this media room is cozy. Can you imagine calling in sick from work one day when it's raining heavily here in Katy, and you just hang out in this media room and watch movies all day? And then as we walk out, you're gonna be able to see downstairs, high ceilings, very well designed, looking over the fireplace. And then in this one, you're gonna have the 2 bedrooms downstairs as well as 2 up, which has been well in demand recently. So this is gonna be your other bathroom right here. So this will be your 3rd bathroom. And then you have your half bath downstairs for a total of 3.5 baths. And so you have your backsplash, great accents. Like I mentioned, it's uniform throughout the entirety of the property, the black faucet knobs and all the accents in there. Same thing with here. You're gonna have nice sized 3rd bedroom for your kids, for guests, for maybe doing a content room. There's a lot of ideas that you can use for these other 2 bedrooms. If you do have kids, of course, that'll be for the kids. If you don't have kids, you'll have a lot of uses for this as well. I always say that even if you have a small family or no family at all, it's great to get a house that you can grow into. It's better to have more rooms than you need than not have enough rooms at all. Now we're going to be entering the next bedroom, which is going to be right here after the hallway on the left. And then same thing, nice size. They did a little painting up there over the recessed lighting that just gives it that nice touch. And carpet is going to be upstairs, more modern carpet. If you absolutely despise carpet, it may be an option for you to request no carpet. Right here, when you walk in, this is going to be quick access to the attic. Some people are a fan of it, some people are not, so you can always just keep a lock on there if you feel uncomfortable when going to sleep. And then this will be your closet as well. So you notice a nice size closet. I mean, this is a nice size property. This is a West End Homes, which this is how they design some of their properties. They have different floor plans with different features and benefits of each one. Now you're going to notice right here, you're going to have an ability to put decorations there and just have it nice and ready to go. And, you know, people get really creative. You know, swinging by IKEA would be able to give you some brilliant ideas as far as what to put up there. So we'll go back through the kitchen and the informal dining to go to the backyard. The good thing about this backyard is for this particular area, you're going to have one part of the fence. It's going to be wooden fence, and then another part is going to be brick fence. And then you're going to have a covered backyard patio. Like I said, great for entertaining guests with the recessed lighting again and the great ceiling fans. And you notice a tall ceiling, so you have a lot of space. You feel like it's a lot of space and a lot of backyard space as well. You know, great for just cookouts and having some events out here and having maybe some picnic tables or tent covers. You can just have the whole nine, but a lot of people love plenty of space because you never know what you might need it for. And this is going to be the back of the property. So hope you enjoyed this tour. Let me know what I can do to help. Link in the description if you want more information about this property.